In this video, we're going to be going over slide size and orientation. So if we go to our design tab, and now if we go over to slide size, here we have the option of using a standard ratio of 4:3 or widescreen ratio of 16:9. Now with standard ratios, for example, if you was watching the television, and have you ever noticed where you see two black bars at the sides? This usually uses a standard ratio of 4:3. Whereas nowadays, most things now use an aspect ratio of 16:9, which is typically used for projectors and monitors and laptops, and it's a more modern ratio that's normally used. So ideally, if you're doing a presentation which requires you to use a projector and a monitor, you want to make sure you're using this ratio. Now, but in the event if we was to use a standard ratio, now if we select this, we have the option of either selecting maximize, which will actually cut off the sides of our slides, or we can select ensure fit. In this case, if we select maximize like so, and as you can see, that's been cut off here, and this is very important because now if we was to go to file and to print, as you can see, this has been cut off. So now if we go back, and if we now select the slide size of widescreen, and now if we go to file and print, we now have everything included within the slide. So again, these are just key things to bear in mind here. And just to let you know, we'll be covering text within future videos of this course. Now, okay, in terms of orientation, now if we go back to slide size, and if we go to custom slide size, just here, we have the option of actually selecting a slide size for a particular size, such as an A3 piece of paper or A4 piece of paper. So we've got quite a few options here, and we can also change the orientation for our slides to portray, and even handouts and any notes that we take, we can also change that to portray as well. And now if we select OK with that, and now we have the option again of going with a maximize fit, or if we just ensure to fit. So in this case, we'll select maximize, and as you can see, it is now portrait, but again, sides have been slightly cut off here. And just to show you what that looked like, if we go to a print preview, again, our slides have been slightly cut off here. So whenever you're using these features, these are just key things to bear in mind here.